And now for Stimpy J Cat. Oh. Oh. And now the Stimpy. Don't despair. Ren and Stimpy, who will be right back. Hey kids, stay tuned. After this program, before this is a new episode of Ren and Stimpy. And this is the nurse Stimpy is singing. Look at their eyes, Stimpy. Okay, now. You gotta take out any fun. No. Wait, I got it. You can play with us in the statues of the no goblins. No context with for Ren and Stimpy. And, you can even take spells. I didn't know you did class now, you're not a little monkey. No, we're about to more different from a Ren and Stimpy. Bring out the series from classic section at your video collection. Available only at Nickelodeon Home Video.